चलिए सर।
First of all, circuit diagram is done. We have to measure resistance per centimeter. Either you measure resistance per centimeter, otherwise resistance per meter. It may be calculated. Circuit diagram is done as positive terminal of the battery or battery eliminator also connected with positive terminal of the ammeter, while negative terminal of ammeter connected with one of the terminal of resistance coil. The second wire we take and it connected with positive terminal of voltmeter, while other terminal of the resistance coil we take two wire, one connected with negative terminal of the voltmeter, while another wire connected with one terminal of rheostat. Next, the other terminal of rheostat with switch or key. Now next terminal of the key connected with negative terminal of the battery eliminator or battery. Here battery eliminator is the source of the given electric circuit. Now first of all, insert key, plug of the key. Plug is inserted here and now we take the reading. First of all, we adjust the circuit current with the help of rheostat like that. Actual reading is taken by us. Now you come in this side and
चलिए।
now here reading you take. Here is 0.1. 0.1 ampere is given. The circuit current is given 0.1 ampere. Here is 0.1 ampere. Now here the 10 division. The voltmeter reading is 10 division. It means that it gives us 0.5 volt. 0.5 volt reading is given. Similarly, we adjust the current and take 0.2 ampere. 0.2 ampere current is given. Next is 1.1 volt. The reading of the potential difference is given. Similarly, minimum 5 reading is taken by us, and then plot the circuit diagram. You just take the video in this side also. The circuit diagram is done. We plot the current and voltage relation, and we take the slope, and slope gives us the resistance.
Yes, sir.
This is the experimental verification of the Ohm's law also, or we determine the resistance per centimeter. Okay.